Paint is chipped off on this sleigh. And I really don't want to repaint the whole thing, so I'm just going to try and paint just that spot. And what I've done is I've used some acrylic paints. I put down a glob of yellow and red, about the same size, and then I did about a third amount of blue. And looks like it's pretty close. Let's put some on the chips area. Well, it's closer than I thought. And it might be a little bit dark. But the key is reducing that contrast between this light wood and that brown paint. It's a little bit too red. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, maybe just a little bit of blue. Ended up, I just add a little bit of yellow. Let's see how that looks. I used to work in the printing industry and did color correction on photography, basically, getting that ready for printing, and so that really came in handy of learning combinations. And in printing, you only use, most printing's done with just 4 colors. Cyan is a blue, magenta is kind of a red, yellow, and black. Almost all printing is done with those 4 colors, and then they're in varying percentages. Actually, you can't print continuous tone on a printing press, which photography is. You have to break it into little tiny dots, which fool your eyes and makes it look like it's a continuous tone, but in actuality it's actually a half tone. But this is super close. Paint this all up. And it looks way better than it did. Here was that light color before right here. Just putting that paint on, just reduces the contrast dramatically. And those damage areas pretty much just go away. There we go. This is dried and you can hardly see. New paint is right there. Worked out well. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.